Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on PCEX. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on PCEX.com. You can follow the same steps in PCEX mobile application, or you can even come on PCEX with the help of your web browser in your laptop or in your mobile device. Now, once you are over here, you will have to simply log in into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on account security. Now in account security, you will see change password option. So you need to simply click on it. Now it will ask you to provide your old password. So here you will have to enter your old password, and only then you will be able to basically create a new password for your account. Then you will have to provide the details about your new password, and you will have to basically confirm this password again. Afterwards, you will have to click on this confirm submission option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily change your password on PCEX. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching.